As per the most recent long-haul conjecture, Cardano cost will hit $0.7 by the center of 2024 and afterward $1 by the center of 2025. Cardano will ascend to $0.5 inside the extended period of 2030, $2 in 2033 and $0.5 in 2035. Cardano value forecast 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $0.57978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $0.7021, so the cost expanded by 19% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.80, and the year-to-year change plus 201%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 153%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.35 per one Cardano. In the main portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $2.34. In the last part, the cost would add $0.10 and close the year at $2.44, which is plus 243% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $2.44 to $3.88, which is up 59%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $2.44. Then, at that point, take off to $2.55 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $2.39. That implies plus 236% from today. Cardano expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $3.88 to $6.15, which is plus 59%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $3.88. Then, at that point, take off to $4.11 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $4.34. It is about plus 509% from today. The 3s are 1, 2s into 4. Cardano value forecast 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $0.5978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $0.16737, so the cost expanded by 13% from the start of the year. The Guaj Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.61, and the year-to-year change plus 169%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 139%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.121 per one Cardano. In the principal half of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $2.09. In the last part, the cost would add $0.09 and close the year at $2.18, which is plus 224% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $2.18 to $3.46, which is up 59%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $2.18, then, at that point, take off to $2.28 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $2.14. That implies plus 218% from today. Cardano expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $3.46 to $5.49, which is plus 59%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $3.46, then take off to $3.67 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $3.88. It is about plus 476% from today. Stu 15204. Cardano value forecast 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $0.5978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $0.5769, so the cost diminished by 4% from the start of the year. The determined Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.60, and the year-to-year change plus 168%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 177%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.10 per one Cardano. In the primary portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $1.84. In the last part, the cost would lose $20 and close the year at $1.64, which is plus 184% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $1.64 to $2.81, which is up 71%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $1.64, then, at that point, take off to $1.75 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.98. That implies plus 243% from today. Cardano expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $2.81 to $4.20, which is plus 49%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $2.81, then, at that point, take off to $2.98 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $3.15. It is about plus 446% from today. So 2024. Cardano value expectation 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $0.5978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $1.4888, so the cost diminished by 18% from the very start of the year. The estimated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.35, and the year-to-year change plus 126%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 176%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.93 per one Cardano. In the main portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $1.55. In the last part, the cost would lose $0.17 and close the year at $1.38, which is plus 182% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $1.38 to $2.37, which is up 72%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $1.38, then, at that point, take off to $1.48 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.67. That implies plus 242% from today. Cardano expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $2.37 to $3.52, which is plus 49%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $2.37, then take off to $2.51 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $2.65. It is about plus 442% from today. 0115204. Cardano value expectation 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $1.5978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $1.5378, so the cost diminished by 10% from the outset of the year. The determined Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.37, and the year-to-year change plus 129%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 155%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.93 per one Cardano. In the primary portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $1.43. In the last part, the cost would add $0.06 and close the year at $1.49, which is plus 177% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $1.49 to $2.79, which is up 87%.